Welcome to IELTS Speaking Practice Test. I have several questions for you, and this test is divided into three parts: Part 1, Part 2, and Part 3, namely. I have few questions in Part 1. Let's begin. What's your full name?
My name my name is Ariba Habib.
How may I address you?
You may address me as Ariba.
Okay, Ariba, where do you come from?
I come from Fatehpur.
Do you usually take photos?
No, I do not take photos, but sometime I take photo.
Okay. How do you keep your photos?
I keep my photos in my phone. Sometime I store in my laptop, but usually I keep my photos in my phone.
Okay. Do you keep your photographs on computer?
No, I don't keep photograph on computer.
And have you framed any of your photos?
I have not framed any of my photos.
This is the end of part one. Let's move on to the part two. This is cue card. I'll give you a topic and you have to speak on it for 2 minutes. The topic is you have to describe an occasion when you forgot something important, and you should say what you forgot, how important it was, and possible reason why you forgot it. This is the paper, this is the pen. You have 1 minute. You can take notes if you want. Your time starts now. You have to describe an occasion when you forgot something important.
Last month, I attend an event, reception event, and when I reached there, um, I remembered that I forgot my bag at home, and when I came there, um, I realized that I don't have my bag. Having money and my cell phone, which is very important, I gave money as a gift to the bride or groom. At that moment, I have no option. But when I said to my mom, she gave me some money which I give to the bride.
Thank you very much. Could you please give me the pen and the paper? Let's move on to the part three. I have several questions in part three. Do you think it's important to have a good memory?
Yes, I think it is important to have a good memory because when you are at solitude, you remember the good memory at the time and you feel better. So I think it is important to have good memory.
Okay. Why do sometimes people forget the things?
Can you repeat the question?
Why do sometimes people forget things?
They have busy routines and they forget the things. Today's the life is very busy and people people forget many things in their busy routines.
Okay. Which do you think is more important to remember? A business meeting or a meeting with a friend?
Mm, Repeat the question.
Which do you think
Which
is
is
more
more important?
important, to remember a business meeting or a meeting with a friend?
Uh, I think I business meetings with friends is more important to remember because there are many activities or fun with friends, which is very important to remember.
Are there any things that are specifically important for people to memorize?
There are many things that important to remember for me, but I that the especially things important for me to remember is gathering with the friends or cousins, especially a time we spend together at occasions, special occasions, like in any function.
Okay, let's move on from memory to family history. Why do people want to remember their family history?
People remember their want to remember their family history. Uh, According to my opinion, you can say it is a beautiful memory, and it gives them a sense of identity. And on their footsteps, they can manage their life problems or anything.
Okay. And what can you do more to learn more about your family history?
To learn more about my family history, I can talk my grandparents and to know how their backgrounds or their history. Talk with my grandmothers or grandparents or my parents to know about their history.
Okay, thank you very much. This is the end of IELTS speaking test.